Meaning of impulsiveness.
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 Impulsiveness. Impulsiveness refers to acting on sudden urges or desires without taking the time to consider the potential consequences. It is often associated with a lack of self-control and a disregard for long-term plans or goals. Impulsive behavior can lead to negative outcomes such as financial problems, relationship issues, and health risks. Individuals who struggle with impulsivity may benefit from mindfulness techniques, therapy, or medication to help manage their impulses and make more thoughtful decisions. In short, impulsiveness can have harmful impacts on one's life if not properly addressed and managed.